Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video every day. I am Steve Jen. If this is the first time you discover my YouTube channel is focused on 90% skincare, 10% lifestyle, and a little bit about me. Let's take a look.
So much.
How
I've been
do you look like
filming,
this?
You know how I look like this. I use these two products like day to day. This is, so I want to talk to you about my ritual because I have a ritual.
Everyone can use this, and this special kit after your toner, then you can put a couple drop, press on the skin, it balance, it renew the skin, make your skin even more radiant. You can see I have over 27 years experience in cosmetic, and that's the reason why I made me the guy that you can count on for skincare recommendation and skincare education. If you like what you hear so far, subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you know the time I release a video. In today's videos, we were going to talk about what skincare product is designed for super lazy persons. One product that will take care from head to toes. Yeah, head to toes. Just one product. What do you think that product gonna be? Drum roll please. Ta-da! It is by NUXE, the dry multi-purpose dry oil. We're gonna talk about why is this so good, and in fact, this is my second bottle. So let's jump in this and talk about this. I also want to share with you that I left the company I worked for the last 17 years and started my own skincare company, Beauty, and we are turning 1 year old this May. Yay! Thank you so much for those of you who support my skincare brand Beauty. To celebrate this milestone, we are offering 30% off on our website. All you need to do is type in EBU30 on our website before you check out, then you get 30% and you can experience my first collection, Mooncast Multitasking Collections. The product I want to share with you, it's by NUXE. I'm not sure if you guys know this brand. This has been an iconic skincare product from France, and I don't know how long it's been in business, but apparently it's like the must-have when you go to Europe to shop and at the pharmacies. And I actually first discovered this when I was in Paris about 3 years ago. I did a study what is the most popular skincare at France, and this is the number one. So I bought one. Oh my god. And honestly, this is my third bottle. The first bottle I already finished that. So this is the second bottle, pretty much done. And then this is the second bottle, but it's almost halfway through already. So I want to talk about what is this dry oil? Why is it multi-purpose? A lot of people may not understand what does dry oil mean. It really means that when you apply this oil, it will absorb very quickly instead of sitting on top of the skin. You must try other oil product. They just feel oily and greasy on top, right? This doesn't. It just absorbs into the skin and create a barrier and protect your skin and seal all the ingredients inside and nourishing the skin, protect the skin. And the way they build this, you can use entire your body, hair, everywhere, right? So let me show you right now. It comes in spray, so you can just spray right here and kind of watch. This is my hand. I'll come get close to show you. So that's the oil. And the smell, the scent, it's really hard to describe this. It's very warm, a little bit powdery, and it's giving natural fragrance for your body too. So when you use this, you don't even really need perfume. So it just blends into the skin naturally, just gonna absorb in there so quickly. I mean, look at the difference on my arm. Give it a little sheen. See that? Very, very nice. And look at my hair right now. So I'm gonna put just a little bit on my hand. Just do this. Let me check myself in the mirror first. Okay. So I just give it little healthy shine but not weigh down your hair. I mean, you don't want to put regular body oil on your hair that's going to wear your hair down. In fact, some of the hair oil will wear your hair down, make your hair look greasy and oily. This will not happen. I love this. The reason why I say this is really good for lazy people is because if you don't even bother to use any skincare, which is fine, so this is better than nothing. And if you ask me that, can you just use this not using any other skincare? Definitely no. I still recommend you do the basic skincare. That's a cleanser, toner, moisturizer, eye cream, sunblock. But if you say, I never use anything, then this is better than nothing, honestly. So this will offer you the hydration level, and it protect, like I said, protect your skin from environmental damage. It protects your skin from, harsh weather too. So it's really fantastic. And I found the best way to apply the oil is when right after you took a shower. So this is what I normally do. I believe I talked about in my other video. After you shower, you kind of, before you towel dry your entire body, just mist your body and let it massage into the skin, and then you pat it dry. Because little water on the skin will help the oil absorb even quicker and going deeper to the skin. So it just feels so smooth and soft. And if you use the oil, do you need to use a body cream? You don't have to, because I think that's just overkill. And if you have some really dry patch, I will basically just spray this and just watch me. Say that I have a really dry elbow, right? I'm going to just work on this on the elbow area, massage in there. And of course, if you can exfoliate first, the oil can do even better job for you. And like I said earlier, dry oil, it absorbs quickly, doesn't feel oily. What I don't like about some of the body oil I mentioned earlier is feel greasy all day long. Nobody want to feel greasy. That's nasty, so you don't want to do that. So just see that. It's so nice. Oh, this smells so good. And also you can use this on your nail too. Don't forget about nail. Your cuticle can soften the tooth. It can also soften its cuticle too. So it's really great. So you're just kind of massaging that. So it's really, truly one of the multitasking treatment you can use your entire body. I would just be careful. You're going to use this around on the face. Kind of avoid the eye area a little bit, because you don't want oil getting to the eye, and that will cause some irritations because it is still oil in there. Just kind of around the eye area. So there's other tip and trick I want to show you. So let's talk about this right now. So we talk about this is multitasking oil for hair, face, and body, right? What else can you use this for? There's so many benefits. One other thing you can use is as a massage oil. Oh my gosh. Have your loved one spray this on your body and give a nice stroke massage. It just relaxes your muscle and release a beautiful scent. It's very calm and very soothing. It just feels so wonderful. That's all I can tell you. If you have not tried that, definitely give a try as a body massage oil. Fabulous. You do gonna use a lot more, but it's not too bad. I mean, you don't massage your body every day anyway, so you can do that. So I like to use it as a body massage oil. What else can I do with this oil? Now I want to show you, okay? Say that this is my Ebu Beauty Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer. I'm going to put one little palm here on both hands. Okay, see that? So I'm going to just massage this one here. The Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer is very hydrating. It provides nourishing ingredients. It's not heavy, very lightweight, right? So this become like that. I'm just using this as an example, right? But now, if I add a little bit oil here, just a little bit like that, I don't know if you can see, and you just blend the end, it made the multitasking tinted moisturizer even better. I do know that when you spray oil on your foundation, it will separate the foundation a little bit, but that's okay, Sometimes you just want to have a nice, you can see difference. This has a nice sheen in there, but this gives you even more glow to the skin. So it's perfect for the summer glow. I know, did I just say summer? Yes, I did. Summer is around the corner, so So you can see the difference right here. So this can work with any foundation you have at home. If you want to create that summer glow, you just mix with foundation a little bit, you can do that. It's really, really beautiful. This is also really great for the dry lips. Let me show you. Just a little bit. Put your hand, fingertip. And the best part is, because it's dry oil, it's not going to sit on top of your lip. It will just absorb into the skin pretty quickly and make your lip feel softer and smoother. And you can actually apply lipstick over. But what I recommend you do is once you pat this on the lip, right, it's pretty much dry already. So you can just go ahead and put your lipstick. If you put any type of oil or lip balm on, it's almost impossible to apply lipstick because there's so much barrier on top and the lip color will not stick on the lip. It will actually kind of fall off a little bit. So this is really great for that too. I mentioned earlier that you can use the oil on your cuticle too. So it's really softening the cuticle, especially for emergency. I know for some of the lady that you're in between your manicure, right? And then when you're in between, your cuticle can be really awful looking and you don't have time to do anything. Just take a little bit of oil. Just put it on your cuticle. And then instantly will look better. But you still need to go get your nail done. But at least this will help you a temporary fix. So you don't look like you have a very nasty cuticle on your finger. That's just not very cute. Same thing work on your feet too. Sometimes I like to do is my feet can be kind of dry. It's not that pretty. So I would just put quite a few spray on my foot and then I massage in and then wrap my feet with the ceramic wrap. Did I say that right? You know, the clear wrap, just wrap around your feet and I put socks over. Next day, baby skin. Another tip that you can do is that if you have that like really bad split in on your hair or the end of the hair is really dry looking, you can just take a little bit of oil and just massage it to the hair end and just make that split in look better. By the way, all these are temporary fix. You know, you still need to trim the hair, you still need to get your cuticle done. I mean, you need to do all that, but there are times where just in between and you just need an emergency fix. This is it. A lot of people say Vaseline is the item that everyone should have. It will help to fix anything. But personally, I like this better because it's better quality, better ingredients. It won't harm your skin, so I really enjoy this. Leave a comment below, have you ever tried NUXE oil yet? I would love to hear from you. And I'm sure there's so many other tips out there that if you have been using this and you have great tips, definitely leave a comment below so we can all share and learn together. You may say, well, what if I have a very oily skin? Can I still use oil? Well, technically, if you have oily skin, that usually means you're not putting enough hydration to your skin, so your skin produces oil to compensate the loss of water in the skin. So you really need water, and that's why you want to use a face moisturizer. But again, this is designed for the lazy person, so I just don't use anything. So on that note, this is better than nothing. So you can use this. And because it's dry oil, they just absorb in there very fast. So you shouldn't make your skin more oilier. In fact, it should help. So yeah, definitely give it a try. Alright, so I just want to share with you my favorite multitasking oil for hair, face, and the body. And I hope you liked today's video. And definitely let me know, have you tried this before? If you have, let me know what is the best way to apply this. Alright, thank you so much. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty. And these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.